Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to share your location on your iPhone. This can be really helpful if you want to let your friends or family know where you are, or if you want to keep track of your device in case it gets lost. Don't worry, it's very simple and only takes a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your Apple ID banner with your name on it. From there, select Find My. Inside this section, make sure that Find My iPhone is turned on. Also, check that the Share My Location option is enabled. If it's not, simply toggle it on. Once that's done, go back to your home screen and open the Find My app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the People tab. Then select Share My Location or Start Sharing Location. You'll now be able to choose a contact from your list. Just pick the person you want to share your location with. After selecting the contact, choose how long you'd like to share your location. You can share it for 1 hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Once you've selected the time frame, tap Send, and that's it. Your location will be shared. If you ever want to stop sharing your location, simply go back to the People tab in the Find My app, select the person, and tap Stop Sharing My Location. You can also choose Ask to Follow Location if you'd like them to share their location with you as well. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can easily share your location on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials.